Hello viewers, I have been using OnePlus Pad Lite for a couple of days. There are few things that I did not like about this tablet, so in this video I will tell you about that. The first thing that I did not like about OnePlus Pad Lite is the display. Though the display has a peak brightness of 500 nits, yet I did not like the color and the viewing angles of this display. This is a non-HDR display. If you compare this display along with Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus that is similarly priced, you will find that the display on Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is more vibrant. Also, the viewing angles are great. There is no color distortion. So during my usage these few days, I did not like the display and I am not enjoying viewing contents on this tablet. The second thing that I did not like about OnePlus Pad Lite is its weight. This is a very heavy tablet, so you will feel pain while using this, and as per the form factor it should be less than 500 grams, but the weight of this tablet is 530 grams, which is very heavy as per my opinion. On the other hand, Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is not so heavy. It is only 480 grams. The reason behind 530 grams tablet is the battery, as it packs a massive 9340 mAh battery. That's why the tablet is so heavy. So as the tablet is very heavy, the portability of this tablet becomes a problem. The next thing that I did not like about OnePlus Pad Lite is that in the box you will get only 15 watt of charger, whereas the tablet supports up to 33 watt of charging. So there is a cost cutting, as it is a massive battery. It will take 3 hours plus to charge the device with the 15 watt charger provided in the box. The next thing that might be a deal breaker for many users is that OnePlus has not specified any updates and they did not mention how many OS updates it will get. However, I think that you will get only one major update along with this tablet, though that may not be stable. There will be many bugs, so time will tell whether you will get any more updates or not. So these are some of the drawbacks of OnePlus Pad Lite. Let me know in the comment sections below if you have already made the purchase of OnePlus Pad Lite or not, and if you have already purchased it, are you feeling these problems or not? Let me know in the comment sections below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.